Welcome to Tom Sweet Media. I'm your host, Tom Sweet. For those who don't know me, you might have seen me. Paid Before, Biker Boys, Rough Riders, the other guy. Most of y'all know me from the motorcycle set. Some of y'all know me from being in the hood. But on this platform, I'm gonna be going over some of my opinions about what's going on in the world today and what's going on in the industry. So sit back, relax, and take it in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, so you get all the notifications of what's going on in Tom Sweet Media, coming straight from your hood. What you doing, Christian? Huh? I can't see you. All right. Who you with? Here you go. Where we going? Where you taking me to? To the green what? The green buoy. Alright, take me over there. Got Rocco out with us. He is driving. You see the boat moving. I ain't doing nothing. He's doing everything on his own. He know how to drive. You see him out? I told you do stunts on motorcycles.
You don't want to do stunts on the boat?
Nah, he can handle it. He drive cars.
No wheelies.
Oh, nah, he touch the gas. Look, when you get there, I want you to go around the can that way. So you're going to go around it and come back this way.